Welcome back to another episode of Cooking Day in the Kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how I make this beef stew. Follow along with me and I'll show you step by step how to make an easy beef stew. Don't take much at all.
This in here. I'm going to let it cook a little bit, then we'll start chopping it down. Okay, we're just going to smash this down really good. You want to have something like this where you can smash it, twist it around, and just chops it into real good pieces. We'll come back in a few more minutes. Looks like a charm. I chopped white onions into your meat. Sorry, the camera seemed to get fogged by the smoke, or fogged by that blast of smoke. Anyways, you want to stir this in very well. I hope me putting a light into the kitchen made it a little bit more brighter in here. Anyways, I'm working on getting a better camera eventually. Anyway, we'll come back to this in a little bit. 1 4 teaspoon oregano, teaspoon of celery salt. Put the bag of vegetables inside. Okay, that'd be about enough. I'm gonna put this back over here so I can steam and break down the vegetables a little bit. Okay, that's what it looks like. We got the vegetables in pretty good. Teaspoon of kosher salt. Really chopped up tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes, actually. Come back in a minute. Put some more tomatoes in a minute. Good pinch of thyme leaves put in there. And then we just want to give it a good stir around. And a little bit we'll put in tomato, cheesy sauce. A tablespoon of all-purpose flour. About 2 tablespoons. Spoon of canola oil. Just want to give that a good stir around, real good. You want to dump your tomato sauce right into the batter, like that. That should be about enough. Sauce. Very well liked. Okay. Check out that beautiful stew right there. It's done now, ready to serve. We're going to come back and we're going to do a taste test on this. Just a few minutes. This beef stew, we're going to do a taste test on that. We got peas, we got carrots, a little bit of tomatoes. A lot of tomatoes, and we got some taters. Now we're going to take a bite of this. Oh my god, that is so good. I like the flavor of the tomatoes. You can taste the tomatoes in it pretty good. Good texture, good flavor, very good. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you get all notification of my videos, and I put quality videos out there. So thank you for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.